Are you tired of being broke all the time? Well, fear not. I have discovered the secret to making some serious cash using ChatGPT, and let me tell you, it's more fun than a barrel of monkeys. Unlocking the potential of ChatGPT, the ultimate tool to make $1,000 per day. Making $1,000 per day without putting in any effort may sound too good to be true. However, with the help of a cutting-edge AI tool called ChatGPT, you can turn this dream into a reality. ChatGPT is a game-changing tool that can simplify your work and help you make money by completing difficult tasks just for you. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support our content. This will keep us motivated to create more informative and exciting videos and come up with new strategies to help you make money online. In this video, we will teach you how to create an ebook that can be used to promote ClickBank products. Our ebook will consist of 5 different lunch recipes that are perfect for people who are on a keto diet. We will use CANVA to create the ebook cover and layout, and ChatGPT to generate the recipes. The first step in creating our ebook is to head over to canva.com. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating professional-looking designs, including ebook covers and layouts. Once you're on the site, search for ebook, and Canva will provide you with several different templates to choose from. For our ebook, we will select a template that has chapters, which will make it easy to organize our recipes. We will start with Chapter 1, which will consist of our first recipe, grilled chicken Caesar salad. One of the most valuable advantages of ChatGPT is that it can generate high-quality content for you in a matter of seconds. For instance, let's say you want to write an article about a famous YouTuber and entrepreneur, Damian Black. With ChatGPT, all you have to do is type in, write an article about Damian Black, and the tool will generate a complete article for you. However, keep in mind that the tool is not 100% accurate and may require some editing. But overall, ChatGPT is a fantastic tool that can save you a lot of time and effort. Once we have the recipe for our first chapter, we can paste it onto our ebook template in Canva. We can then add an image of grilled chicken to the recipe and format the text to make it look professional. We can repeat this process for the remaining 4 recipes, making sure to change the chapter titles and images to match the recipes. Now that we have our ebook ready to go, we can start thinking about how to monetize it. One option is to use ClickBank, an affiliate marketplace that connects product creators with affiliate marketers. To get started with ClickBank, we need to sign up for an account and then browse the marketplace for products to promote. We can search for products related to our ebook, such as keto diet products or weight loss products. Once we find a product that we want to promote, we can generate an affiliate link and include it in our ebook. This way, when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, we will earn a commission. Let's look deeper into how to do these steps. Step 1. Create your ebook. The important step is to create your ebook. It's important to find a niche you're interested in or have knowledge about. This will make it easier for you to write and promote your ebook. You can write your ebook in a Word document and then convert it to a PDF for uploading to Amazon KDP. Step 2. Create your affiliate link. The next step is to create your affiliate link. You can promote your ebook through your own website or blog. Amazon KDP offers an affiliate program which allows you to earn money by promoting your ebook. You'll receive a commission every time someone buys your ebook through your affiliate link. It's important to note that Amazon KDP only pays you if you reach a certain threshold of sales. Step 3. Upload your ebook to Amazon KDP. Now it's time to upload your ebook to Amazon KDP. It's important to choose the correct category and keywords for your ebook. This will make it easier for people to find your ebook when searching on Amazon. You can also upload your ebook as a paperback for those who prefer a physical copy. Amazon KDP offers this service for free. Step 4. Promote your ebook. Promoting your ebook is essential to making sales. You can promote your ebook through social media, email marketing, and by running Amazon ads. It's important to create a catchy title and description for your ebook to attract potential readers. Step 5. Maximize your earnings. Amazon KDP offers 3 ways to earn money from your ebook. The first way is through ebook sales. You'll receive a commission every time someone buys your ebook. The second way is through Kindle Unlimited. You receive a commission every time someone reads your ebook through Kindle Unlimited. The third way is through your affiliate link. You'll receive a commission every time someone buys a product through your affiliate link in your ebook. To maximize your earnings, it's important to create multiple ebooks in different niches. This will allow you to reach a wider audience and make more sales. It's also important to price your ebook correctly. You can choose to price your ebook from 99 cents to $9.99. Amazon KDP recommends pricing your ebook between $2.99 and $4.99 for maximum sales. Another way to make money through ChatGPT is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a text-to-speech software that can turn any piece of text into a realistic human-like voiceover. It's a total game changer. You can use it for things like narrating videos and creating intros. The best part is, it's super easy to use even if you're not tech-savvy. You can create high-quality audio content in just a few clicks. If you're interested in using 11 Labs to create some awesome voiceovers for your projects, the first thing you need to do is create an account. Don't worry, it's super easy. Just head over to their website at www.11labs.io and click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the page. You'll be taken straight to the registration page, where you'll be asked to give some basic information like your email address, username, and password. Once you've filled out all the fields, click on the Create Account button to complete the process, and that's it. You're done. Using 11 Labs to generate a voiceover from text is a straightforward process. Once you've logged in, you'll see a text box on the home page where you can paste the text you want convert into a voiceover. Next, you'll want to select the language and voice you want to use. They have a great selection of voices to choose from, so take your time. Now that you know what ChatGPT and 11 Labs are, let's talk about how to use them to make money online. The first step is to find a niche. A niche is a specific topic or market that you'll be creating content for. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will make it easier for you to create content and engage with your audience. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to start creating content. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and content for your niche. Just ask ChatGPT questions related to your niche, and it will generate responses that you can use as inspiration for your content. You can also use 11 Labs to create voiceovers for your content. This will make your content more engaging and professional. Now you've created your content, it's time to promote it. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to promote your content. You can also use email marketing to promote your content to your subscribers. The key is to find a promotion strategy that works for you and stick with it. The next step is to monetize your content. There are several ways to monetize your content, including affiliate marketing. Now you've created your content and published it on your website, it's time to start promoting it. Here are some ways you can do that. Share your content on social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter. Make sure to use relevant hashtags that include a compelling call to action to encourage people to check out your content. Reach out to influencers in your niche and ask them to share your content with their audience. Run paid ads on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to reach a wider audience. Use email marketing to promote your content to your email list. Use SEO techniques to optimize your content for search engines, which will help it rank higher in search results. By promoting your content, you'll be able to drive traffic to your website and increase your chance of making money using ChatGPT and 11 Labs. By combining these two tools, you can create a profitable work-from-home business that will allow you to make money every day. And with the step-by-step guides we've provided, even complete beginners can get started with these tools and start making money online in no time. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ChatGPT and 11 Labs today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out our other videos on the screen. We'll see you in the next one.